In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deposit USDT, also known as Tether, into your Binance account from any external wallet or exchange. This comprehensive, up-to-date guide will walk you through the entire process, whether you're using the Binance mobile app or their web platform. So, let's dive in and get you set up in no time. First things first, log into your Binance account. This is your starting point, whether you're accessing it via the mobile app on your phone or the web interface on your computer. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to your wallet. Now, this can vary slightly based on what interface you're utilizing, but generally, you're looking for an option labeled Wallet. From there, proceed to select Deposit, and more specifically, Deposit Crypto. This is the section where you'll initiate the process of moving your USDT into Binance. Now, you need to pinpoint the cryptocurrency you want to deposit, which, for this tutorial, is USDT. This might sound simple, but choosing the right option here is crucial to ensuring the currency finds its proper place in your account. Next, let's talk about networks. Binance supports multiple networks for USDT transfers, and selecting the correct one is absolutely vital for a successful deposit. The networks you might encounter include TRC20, which operates on Tron, BEP20 on the BNB Smart Chain, and ERC20 via Ethereum. Occasionally, options like Solana or Polygon will be available, depending on current support. It's crucial to determine which network your external wallet supports. If, for instance, your USDT is on the TRC20 network, you must choose TRC20 when processing the transfer to Binance. Using the wrong network could result in the loss of your funds, so take a minute to double-check your wallet's network capability before proceeding to the next step. Once you've selected the appropriate network, Binance will provide you with a deposit address. Sometimes they'll offer a convenient QR code as well. Your task now is to copy this address, as you'll need it for the subsequent transfer from your external wallet or exchange. Now, a little side note here. Some users may have the option to choose which wallet type they want their USDT deposit to land in. Usually, the spot wallet, or also known as fiat and spot, is the default and most used option. Occasionally, you might see other categories, like a funding wallet. Choose the one that fits your needs. By meticulously following these steps, you ensure a smooth, error-free deposit journey of your USDT into your Binance account. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide has made your deposit process a breeze.